Jaffna is not just a place you visit. It is something you feel in the rhythm of its streets, in the warmth of its people, and in the stories shared over every meal. From the early mornings by the sea to the vibrant life of its markets, from quiet village homes to evenings lit by simple lamps. Every moment here carries a sense of belonging, a culture shaped by resilience, preserved through generations and expressed through its food. What we discovered in Jaffna was more than just flavors. It was a way of life. And today, we bring that experience to you at Cinnamon Bentota Beach Signature Selection, where essence of the north meets the southern shores of Sri Lanka. An experience inspired by the people, the places, and the flavors of Jaffna. And this is just the beginning.